Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to edit your Shopify store footer in 2025. So whether you want to add the links, the social icons, policy pages, or if you want to remove any of the text from the footer, I will walk you through the updated Shopify editor. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on shopify.com. Then you need to log in into your Shopify account in order to get access to your Shopify admin dashboard. Over here, simply hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of online store. In the online store, the first option would be of themes. So make sure that you are in the themes tab. After that, it is going to show you the theme that you are currently using. Right next to it, you will also be able to see the option of customization. So this is the option that we want. So I would recommend you to click on the option of customization. Now, once you do this, you are going to see this type of page where it is going to basically show you all of the elements which are available on the theme of your website. So here in the preview tab, you will have to scroll down a bit, and this is the footer section, as you can see over here. Now, as soon as you click on it, you are going to see all of the footer related options in the left hand side. Like you can make the width as page or full. So you can click on it and you can see the changes in the bottom, as you can see over here. Now you can adjust the gap, then you can select the color theme. After selecting it, as I've told you earlier, all of the changes will be appear over here. So you can just select or deselect the one which you like and which you don't like respectively. After that, we have the padding option. So you can increase or decrease the padding. Basically, you can make changes into the footer in whichever manner you want. But once you are done with editing your footer, make sure that you click on the option of save in the top right hand corner of the screen in order to save your changes. And this way you will be able to edit your Shopify footer in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.